Headed to the local gravel pit to get some asphalt grindings for my driveway. That'll be the project for today. I got a ditch that's settled. I put a drain in over the summer, and it ran down across my driveway, so I'm going to be, basically it's settled. I'm going to be leveling her off and making it look pretty, because I don't want to trip my plow on it all winter long every time I go to plow. So I'm going to smooth everything out, give her a nice little top coat fluff up, and should be good for the winter. Just shy of 4 tons, just shy of 4 tons. Brain fart, and we're out of here. Heavy load for the old girl, but I've done worse. Done a lot worse. Nice day. December, 60 degrees in New York. I'll take it. Real nice day. I will be back with you shortly. I don't know if you can hear that, but listen to this 6-liter scream. I really need a diesel. And I'm trying to be easy on it too. It's old equipment. You run old equipment, you don't want to beat it. I'm just trying to make the hill here. Oh, I love to see it. I just wanted to throw in the springtime, I will be definitely making my driveway into a horseshoe, because every time I have a trailer on, I live on a busy road and I have to go up, turn around, which I have to completely drive a whole different road right now, because with this much weight in it, the little parking lot I turn around in, I don't know if I'd get back out of it, especially since it's kind of hard to see. So if I'm towing my boat or something, it's fine, but I have to drive all the way around like an extra mile, so that way I can get lined up to back into my driveway. That definitely isn't any fun. So that'll be probably one of the first spring projects. I'm gonna build a pole barn, hopefully, that's in the plans. I'm gonna U-shape my driveway, and I don't know if I'll get to it, but I'm gonna have a metal garage built so I have an actual work zone. So, you know, the pole barn will be for the excavator and tractor or whatever else I don't really want to put in the garage and take up space. And then, you know, my metal building will be my workshop where I can work on stuff and kind of keep the clutter out of there. But yeah, this is my life. I have to go down this kind of a back road. A lot of people like to walk on it to get to my house so I can back up my driveway. It's kind of obnoxious. So stay tuned for that project. That's going to be a lot of earthwork involved. I got a couple dead ash trees I got to cut down, and there's going to be a lot of dirt moving, a lot of hauling, a lot of the fun stuff that everybody likes to see. So it'll be good. I will catch you back up with you shortly. This is what I'm talking about. I missed the funeral procession, but I have to sit in front of my house and wait. It's probably kind of hard to see here, but this is what I'm talking about. I got a settled ditch. I put that pipe in down there. It's been working out pretty well. But whenever you disturb the soil, it's going to take time and it's going to settle. So I already know this thing won't lift it, because it's set up with the cylinder that pushes back instead of up, which I pretty much hate. And I'm looking at some dump trailers now, and they actually have the telescopic cylinder in the front, so they lift a lot more. But this one won't, so let's go get the excavator fired up and get it down here. Gotta check our oil here. I never uses any, but I always check it out before I run it. Looking pretty good there. Belt's tight. I've had issues with these ripping apart. Gotta make sure it's coolant in it. And we are full of hydraulic oil. This thing leaks a little bit, very slightly. Always want to keep an eye on that. And get her fired up, let her warm up a minute. Got the GoPro going. We'll get spun around here, get to spreading some millings. Let's get some pulled out of there and get it dumped.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. I'm coming home.
That's looking pretty good. Gotta rake it. Especially I'm running out of time. I can sit and push around all day, but I'm a firm believer, you spend the time, you do the labor, it looks a lot nicer. So I got it kind of roughed in. It's getting dark on me, obviously. Gonna kind of just fine tune it and probably just run it over a bunch of times with my truck and see what happens. Neighbor's got a roller, but I don't know where he's at today, so we're gonna have to be self-sufficient. All right, so I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video, but this is a friend of mine's dump trailer I borrowed, and we're gonna bring it back to him, and yeah, that way he's got his trailer, so that way if he needs it, he's got it.
Yeah.
Kind of want to test out how well you can see here too, with the GoPro where it's at for snow plowing videos. Yeah, I am sweating. See what everything looks like. Check out the angle of the dangle, if you will, because I still got some playing around to do, and if we get another huge snowstorm like we got last year, I don't want to miss out or screw up half the day plowing because it was in the wrong spot. So this would be a good test. Probably going to time lapse it from here on out. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
We'll be right back.